I'm Srilekha Phale. I'm representing American Hindu Coalition. ఇక్కడ నేను ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఫౌండేషన్ 30th యానివర్సరీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్కి వచ్చానండి. రాజీవ్ మల్హోత్రా గారు మాకు ఇన్విటేషన్ పంపిస్తే వచ్చాను. న్యూ జెర్సీ రాయల్ ఆల్బర్ట్ ప్లేస్లో జరుగుతుంది. చాలా సెలబ్రేషన్స్ చాలా బాగా జరిగాయండి. రాజీవ్ మల్హోత్రాజీ అసలు 30 years నుంచి యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్లో చేసిన అకాంప్లిష్మెంట్స్ ఇంత అంత అని కాదు. ఫస్ట్లో ఆయన జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అసలు హిందూయిజం అంటే అమెరికాలో ఎవరికి సరిగ్గా తెలిసేది కూడా కాదు. ఆయన చేసిన ప్రయత్నాల వల్ల ఈవెన్ స్కాలర్షిప్స్ కానుంచి బుక్స్ రాయటం కానుంచి ఇంటలెక్చువల్గా పిల్లల్ని వాళ్ళకి హిందూయిజం గురించి చెప్పడం కానుంచి యూనివర్సిటీస్కి వెళ్ళేసి మన హిందూయిజం ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఏంటి, యోగా సనాతన ధర్మ ఏంటి, ఉపనిషత్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, మన ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఏంటి, అట్లా అవన్నీ చెప్పడం వల్ల ఇప్పుడు హిందూయిజం అంటే నార్మల్ టర్మినాలజీ లాగా అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మేము వచ్చిన జనరేషన్స్, ఇప్పుడు 90sలో కానీ 2000sలో వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి మేము ఆర్గనైజేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేసి బ్యానియన్ ట్రీ కాన్సెప్ట్తో అట్లా మెంటోర్షిప్ చేయటం వల్ల మేము ఏదన్నా చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఆ హిందూ ఫోబియా అవన్నీ కొంచెం ఈజీగా మేము అవేర్నెస్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాము గవర్నమెంట్లో కానీ పాలిటిక్స్లో కానీ పాలసీస్లో కానీ. సో ఇట్లాంటి మహానీయుడిని మేము వచ్చి సెలబ్రేట్ చేయటము మాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఆయన ఇంకా ఒక 100 ఏళ్ళు ఇలాగే మెంటోర్షిప్ చేయాలి మాలాంటి వాళ్ళకి అనేసి కోరుకుంటున్నాము.
I'm Ramesh Japra. I'm the founder and chairman of Americans for Hindus and come from Fremont, California. We just attended this conference over here with Rajiv Malhotra is celebrating the 30 years of the Infinity, where he really narrated all the great work he's done, the books he's done, and many other people who we've been networking also. With me is Ashok Bari, who's our national ambassador for Americans for Hindus. We run the same organization. He comes from Michigan, but he goes down all over the country and helps us out, making new chapters all over. So while all these non-profits are doing their work of advocacy, education, research with different people, our organization is a totally political organization where we think just religious, cultural, spiritual, economic and social empowerment is not enough. Political empowerment is as important, if not more important, than all these other things. All these other things are important, but if we cannot protect dharmo rakshitata, unless we can protect our dharma, our Sanatan dharma, our Hindu Sanatan dharma, I think we'll be definitely dismantled. Our temples and our organization will not be able to do all those things. I think Ashokji agrees with me. You want to add anything else?
Absolutely, Dr. Japra. And I believe the work done by Rajiv ji is also pretty significant in this domain, in this area. And it is very heartening to see the more than 1,200 people who have come from various parts of the country. I've met several friends from Virginia, from Michigan, from North Carolina, all the way. Dr. Saab has flown from California. So all this again for the Hindu-American cause. And the work of Rajiv ji is also commendable and we appreciate what he is doing. And we congratulate him on behalf of American for Hindus. Dr. Saab?
Absolutely. And we'll continue wherever he's left and make it even better and better.
Hello, my name is Richa Sinha and I'm here from Scotland from an organization called Scottish Hindu Foundation. Scottish Hindu Foundation is a representative body of Hindus to the Scottish government. Recently, Hindu phobia motion was passed in the Scottish Parliament, which was supported by all political parties. This is the first time a bill or a legislation around Hindu phobia has been passed in any government, in the Western government. So we were behind a lot of the lobbying that happened behind the scenes. And I'm really happy to be here in Infinity Foundation.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम जितेंद्र खुराना है. हम लोग हिंदू अमेरिकन सोसाइटी ऑफ सेंट्रल न्यू जर्सी के थ्रू हिंदी यूएसए के पार्टनरशिप में इस 30 ईयर सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ राजीव मल्होत्रा जी के इवेंट पे आए हैं. राजीव जी हैज़ changed the dynamics of the way Hindus are thinking nowadays. If you go back in 20 years time, the Hindu being known as a Hindu or being called upon as a Hindu was a big challenge, but now we feel so proud to be part of Hindu community and be known as a Hindu in our Western world. So God bless America and God bless Rajiv Malhotra ji.
Infinity Foundation. And we are intellectual Kshatri and we are supporting events throughout since last 4 months. in and out. So thank you thanks everyone coming here and supporting us. Thank you.
And we are here to fight with Rajiv Malhotra ji against Hindu phobia. The Hindu phobia has been very prevalent in US, and we are in this fight with him.
United we stand, together we celebrate. That's the motto we are in. So सर्वे सुखिना भवन्तु. हम लोग सभी धर्मों में यकीन करते हैं, पर not on the sacrifice of Hinduism. Hinduism is being there, Sanatana Dharma is being there for thousands of years, and humanity is going to continue. So is Sanatana Dharma. Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Namaste, my name is Deepthi Mahajan and I'm the co-convener of Hindu Pact. And I also run a project called Chingari. It's to raise awareness about the Hindu girls who get abducted in Pakistan every day. And we run a few more projects at an international level, specifically focusing on Hindu human rights internationally. And we really thank Rajiv Malhotra ji to provide this platform to all the organizations, to all the individuals coming together from across the world. It was an amazing and a tremendous event, and it was so good to meet so many like-minded people of from Hindu and other faiths as well, who came here today and made this event successful. Thank you so much.
Hi, Namaste. This was a really awesome event organized by Rajiv ji, and bringing all the Hindu under one umbrella. That is a very great initiative. And whatever he put together of 30 years of his experience, and bringing the knowledge for the kids to understand, what is the narrative have been set against Hinduism, needs to be really moved to next level. So that initiative and bringing all the culture, all Hindu branches under one umbrella, that is the main thing which attracted me a lot. Apart from what he has done about the narrative has been set about against the Hinduism, Hindu temples, Hindu culture, Hindu Sanatan. So what he's trying to, we have to join hands against this campaign and create another narrative in a positive way, and where everybody can be respected, and respect to all, freedom to speech to all, and to learn about our community, our culture, and adapt it, because Sarve Bhayantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Mahakashita Bhagavad. So all inclusiveness is there in the Hindu culture. That's what Rajiv ji is trying to bring it here, and we are the part of all the organization, coming from HHS, coming from Hindu USA, and I like this event. Should be organized every year, can be done. Thank you so much.
Namaste, we have Kande Rao ji. Today he will represent for organization, and we are in Royal Albert. So let's have his opinion. How is the celebrations here and how is the function here?
So Rajiv Malhotra is an iconic figure. He's a Rishi-like, like a sage-like. His contribution to not just the in United States Hindu community, for entire Hindu community is unparalleled. He's the original thinker. So a lot of ideas, projects and initiatives he has that work is going to be there for Hindu community for long time to carry forward.
So how you united in USA and in Bharat, how it is a collaboration?
So Rajiv Malhotra has been very good into collaborating with all these organizations, whether it's the USA, India, not only the India here, but also all over the world. The Canada, Europe, many places he goes, and he put the seeds there, and he bring the people together and inspires them. So very wonderful model of collaboration.
Thank you so much. కొప్పుల నరసింహ గారు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. వారు ఇక్కడ హెచ్ఎస్ఎస్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంటారు. తర్వాత హిందూ యూనివర్సిటీ గురించి కూడా వారు ఉన్నారు. ఈరోజు రాజీవ్ మల్హోత్రా జీ ఈవెంట్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారు. ఈవెంట్ యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటో తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం.
నమస్తే జీ. సో ఈ ఈవెంట్ హిందూ డయాస్పోరాకి చాలా ముఖ్యమైనది. ఎందుకంటే రాజీవ్ మల్హోత్రా ఒరిజినల్గా 30-40 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి ఈస్ ఫైటింగ్ లోన్ బ్యాటిల్స్. అది ఇంటలెక్చువల్గా ఈ వెంట్ వెరీ డీప్. తను చెప్పినట్లు ఈ డస్ పూర్వపక్ష ఆఫ్ హిందూ హేటర్స్ అండ్ లెఫ్టిస్ట్, మార్క్సిస్ట్, వై దే రియలీ హేట్ భారత్, వై దే రియలీ హేట్ హిందూయిజం. సో ప్రతిదానికి తాను చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేసి ఎన్నో బుక్స్ రాశాడు. అన్బిలీవబుల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్ అండ్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్, వెరీ హై క్వాలిటీ రీసెర్చ్. సో మనం అందరము స్పెషల్గా బ్రేకింగ్ ఇండియా అనే బుక్తో డీప్గా చాలా అనలైజ్ చేసి, సో హౌ పీపుల్ ఆర్ అపోజింగ్ ఇండియా, ట్రై టు మేక్ ఇండియా, దాని నుంచి ఎన్నో విషయాల్లో సంస్కృత్ అండ్ హూ ఈజ్ రేజింగ్ అవర్ చిల్డ్రన్, మనం స్కూల్ పంపిస్తే అది కాదు, హూ ఆర్ రియల్లీ రేజింగ్ అవర్ చిల్డ్రన్, అట్లాంటివైన చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్లో మనందరినీ మేల్కొల్పుతున్నాడు.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mahendra Ratnu from Dharmansh Foundation, India and the United States. It's been a great event for the simple reason that I have been inspired by Rajiv Ji for the last more than 20 years. Whatever work I'm doing with Hindus of Pakistan for the last 15 years has largely been an inspiration of Shri Rajiv Malhotra, because after reading his book, Breaking India, I realized that life is not about making money and stock market and expanding your flats and buying a more expensive car, because the nation which we take for granted, it's breaking India was a very rude awakening for me कि देश ही खतरे में है. तो जो my Shatru Bodh was awakened by Shri Rajiv Ji, and I sat down to do this work with Hindus of Pakistan. And coming to this event, now I think Rajiv Ji has taken the next leap. Civilizationally, it's crucial that Hindu organizations work together, and to that extent, the banyan tree is an amazing, timely, wonderful initiative. I am with this initiative of Shri Rajiv Ji with tan, man and dhan, and I will leave no stone unturned to make the banyan tree a reality in coming years, so that Hindu Samaj can be safe for the next 10,000 years. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Ananta Kundaparthi. I have an opportunity to come to this Infinity Foundation 30 years of Infinity Foundation event, and it is such a pleasure to be here with so many Hindus and like-minded people, and hearing this journey of Rajiv Ji right from him, it's a truly touching experience, and he provided a wonderful platform, and some of the stories that he shared here, it is very touching, and how he's promoting, and some of the books that he released is definitely absolutely worth reading, and I'm definitely going to read about it, and it is really a very, very well organized by so many organizations coming together who are all on the same platform with the like-minded who organize this event. Thank you so much.